Supermarket. I want to go to this second-hand shop. You can see the Kela office also, the second floor, and the ground floor. You can find some second-hand shop. So I want to check what are the things inside the second-hand shop. So let's go inside. Actually, there's a coffee machine. The second-hand coffee machine is it's about €7. So I think it's in working condition. So these kind of thing you can find in this supermarket, this second-hand shop. So these are the few things that you can find in this supermarket. All the used cloth and also the used shoes for your kids. So these are around only €1 to €5. And these clothes also maybe €3 to €10. It's very cheap here, and also the quality also very high. So this pair of shoes actually is €4. So it's very nice condition. Need this kind of rain boot. So it is around it's also €4. The drill machine, so it's around €7. This coffee jar is the €2.50. So you can keep the hot coffee inside. Find this kind of book also in this second-hand shop. So it's around €1. Normally books are very cheap here. So either Finnish language book or English language book. A lot of toys items, so sometimes you can find the toys in very cheapest. So every day you have to come here and just look around. Music book is very handy, so I'm going to buy this one for my daughter. It's €1. So you can see the noises coming here. The set is actually very cheap for the €8. So this is all €8. So but today actually the ceramic items are very less here. So I got a ceramic mug for €1. So today only this is so this is €1, but this is a little bit smaller. But I got the €1, but bigger than this ceramic. Clothing items, so jacket and everything. So you no need to buy in your country jackets, because those may be not this much of quality. So this is European quality jackets. So better to buy those things when you come here, because no need to expend your money in your country, because maybe those tropical countries. So these clothings are, the jacket especially, those may be high price and low quality. So but better you find the things in here, those are low price and high quality and suited this weather. Very handy, I think. So it's €2. So I already choose €1 one. I need carpet because of the this season we have a lot of dust come inside the house, but these things are a little bit price is high, but you can find these things €3, so less than €5 in other second-hand shops, the carpet items. And here actually no, the furniture items are not here very much, only these little things. So but some second hand shops, they are doing the furniture only. Find a lot of the men's and women's jacket and shoes. So these are very high quality. So it's also a little bit cheaper actually. So this is only €5. So normally these things are expensive in Finland. So very high quality stainless steel. So very heavy also, and so it's very cheap actually. Also €2. So it's enough for the one man actually. And here this one, so this is €20. So this is a little bit high price. We can find these things actually less than €5 also. So that's the beauty about this one. So you have to come again and again, check these things. So this is actually 75 cents. So kind of things you can find in the second hand shop like this. And CD collections and game collection also. So if you allow these things, you can buy these games and music collections also. So handy tool for me, this is scale actually. So you can measure the little scales. So something like this. It's €2. How much this one is cost? This is also very interesting game. These things are actually needed if you are in the winter season. You cannot go outside, so you have to collect some these kind of toys to keep your children inside the house. So actually these things are very handy when it comes to the winter season. So it is 10. This is €10. So I think the price is actually okay for me, but I'm not going to buy today actually. This one. To the Asian food market place. So this kind of dal actually we can find in Finland maybe around €4. So this is not mentioned there. So yes, it's mentioned there. It's €4 everything. So 1 kilo. So dal and every seeds you can find €4 here. So normally we are coming this shop to buy the dal only, because the dal cheap here.